Subject Mathematics Standard 7, Chapter 8, Topic Algebraic Expressions and Operations on them. This is a part 2. Let us revise the types of polynomials. We have already studied about monomial, binomial, trinomial. Monomials are algebraic expressions with one term, hence the name monomial. In other words, it is an expression that contains any count of like terms. For example, 2x plus 5x plus 10x is a monomial because when we add the like terms, it results in 17x. Furthermore, 4t, 21x square y, 9pq etc. are monomials because each of these expressions contain only one term. You have to keep in mind, if there is only one term, like suppose 4t, 21x square y, all these are called monomial. Binomials are the algebraic expressions with two unlike terms. Hence the name binomial. For example, 3x plus 4x square. You can observe here, this is 3x and this is 4x. Both are unlike terms. Both are added by using the symbol plus, and both are unlike terms. When both unlike terms are added, we are getting binomial. If both are like, it becomes a monomial. Since it contains two unlike terms, it is 3x and 4x square. Likewise, 10pq and 13p are p square q. Both are unlike terms, hence it is also a binomial. Trinomials are the algebraic expressions with three unlike terms. Hence the name trinomial. For example, 3x plus 5x square minus 6x square is a trinomial. It is due to the presence of three unlike terms. You can observe here 3x, 5x square and 6x square. Three of them are unlike, hence it is a trinomial. Now there is an exercise based on that. Now you can see the exercise based on monomial, binomial, trinomials or polynomials. Here given below are some expressions. We have to classify what kind of polynomials they are. 7x, only one term, it is monomial. Here 2 terms, it is binomial. 3 terms, trinomial. More than 3 terms, polynomials. 2 terms are there, it is binomial. This is monomial and this is monomial. And this is trinomial because it is having 3 terms. Now let us see the addition of polynomials. First one is given 9p plus 16q, 13p plus 2q. You can see both are binomials. Open the bracket, bring the like terms nearby. We will get 9p plus 13p equal to 22p, 16p plus 2q, we get 18q. Same way, we are going to add the trinomials. Write the like terms in one bracket. 2a and 16a in one bracket, 6b plus 18b in one bracket, 8c plus 18c in one bracket, 13x square minus 12y square plus 6x square minus 8y square. Bring the like terms in one bracket and then add. Now question number 1. Answer the questions. Suppose 3x plus 4y is there. Can we add this? Or if we can add, then how many are they? 3 guavas plus 4 mangoes. Is it equal to 7 guavas? 7m minus 2n equal to 5m. Let us see the first one. Both 3x and 4y are unlike terms. Why they are unlike? Because the variables are different. If the variables are different and their powers are also different, they are called unlike terms. Hence they cannot be added further to get a single term. We cannot add 3x in 4y. Hence it is we cannot get our answer. Our answer is 3x plus 4y only. 3 guavas plus 4 mangoes equal to 7 guavas? No. Guava and mango are different fruits, hence we cannot add them. 7m minus 2n equal to 5m? No. 7m and 2n are unlike terms, hence we cannot subtract them. Now see the multiplication questions. 16xy multiplied to 18xy. Here monomial is multiplied to another monomial. Take the numbers together, 16 into 18 and xy into xy nearby. 16 into 18 multiplied, we get 288. X into x, x square, y into y, y square. Bring the numbers nearby. 23 xy square into 4yz square. Multiply 23 into 4. Xy square into yz square. 23 into 4 is 92. X, y cube, z square. Why it is y cube? Because y square multiplied to y. When the base is same, the powers are added. Now in the same way, binomial multiplied to monomial, open the bracket, 12a multiplied to 4c plus 17b multiplied to 4c. We get 48ac plus 68bc. Now the word problems are there. A rectangle is 8x plus 5 cm long and 5x plus 3 cm broad. Find its area. You can see its solution here. Length is given, breadth is given. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. 8x plus 5 into 5x plus 3, binomial multiplied to binomial. 8x into 5x plus 3 plus 5 into 5x plus 3. Open the bracket. 8 into 5, 40. X into x, x square. 8 3s are 24x. 5 into 5, 25x. Plus 5 3s are 15. You can observe that 24x plus 25x is like terms. So like terms can be added. 24x plus 25x is 49x plus 15. So our area of rectangle is 40x square plus 49x plus 15 square centimeter. Now simplified questions are there. Options are given here. You have to choose the right answer. In bracket 3x minus 11y minus 17x plus 13y. You open the bracket, bring the like terms nearby, and then you have to solve. You can see, we open the bracket, we have brought the like terms nearby. 3x minus 17x is minus 14x, minus 11y minus 13y is minus 24y. You can take out common minus 2 from both the terms. Inside the bracket we get 7x plus 12y. So you will see that which option is correct. Option number D. The same way you have to do the question number 2, but in this we have to find the product. When you multiply 23 into minus 15, we get minus 3, 45, x raised to 5, y 4, z cube. Here the answer is not given, you have to find by yourself. We are going to get the answer A. Expression. An expression is not an equation because it does not have an equal sign. There are two types of expression. One is numerical, one is algebraic. You can see in numerical expression, only numbers are there. But in algebraic, we are having terms plus constant. This is a binomial algebraic expression. Expressions are of three types: monomial, binomial, trinomial, and more than 3, then it will be a polynomial. This is an algebraic expression. Notice there are no equal sign in this expression, so they are not equations. See here, it is nothing is written after this. 5 plus 84, is there equal sign? Is there no equal sign? So it is not an equation. Equations in one variable. An equation is an equality containing variables. The equation containing only one variable with index 1 are known as simple equations. Points to remember: when there are variables on both sides of equation, eliminate those from right side of an equation. If a term is transposed from one side to other side of equal sign, the term of that term's sign must be changed. When we do solve the questions below, you will understand better. See, this is an equation. Why it is an equation? Because equal sign is there. Bring the numbers one side. You can see we are transposing 5 from right hand side to left hand side. Here it is of plus sign, but when it comes to other side, it will become minus. 10 minus 5 is 5 equal to 2y, y equal to 5 upon 2. Same way 5m equal to 1 plus 4. 4 is coming this side. Minus 4 will become plus 4. 5m equal to 5. M equal to 5 upon 5. M equal to 1. Same way another word problem is there. Rakesh's age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. Sum of their ages is 27 years. How old are they? Let the age of Rakesh we will assume as what? X years. Sania is what? 5 years. Rakesh's age is less than Sania by 5 years. So Sania's age is what? Means she is greater than Rakesh by how many years? 5 years. According to given condition, Rakesh plus Sania's age together is equal to what? 27. When we open the bracket, x plus x, 2x plus 5 equal to 27. 2x, 5 is coming this side, it will become minus. 2x equal to 22. X equal to 22 upon 2. We are getting x equal to 11. Substitute the value of x equal to 11 in the age of Sania. Sania's age is what? X plus 5. So 11 plus y is what? 16 years. Therefore, the age of Rakesh and Sania are 11 and 16 years. Same way, you have to solve this type of question. Solution is done for you, but you have to solve first without seeing the solution. If you want to understand, then you can go through the solution. Shuvangi has twice as many 20 rupees notes as she had 50 rupees note. Altogether, she has 2,700 rupees. How many 50 rupees notes does she have? The solution is done for you. You have to do without seeing the solution. Let the number of 50 rupee notes we will assume as x. 20 rupees notes are double of 50, so it will become 2x. Total amount the Shuvangi has equal to number of 50 rupees notes plus number of 20 rupees notes. We get 50x plus 40x equal to 90x. Total is equal to 2,700. X equal to 2,700 upon 90. We get 30. So Shuvangi has 30 notes of 50 rupees. Virat made twice as many runs as Rohit. The total number of their scores is 2 less than a double century. How many runs did each of them make? They are telling Virat is making how many runs? Twice the runs made by Rohit. So first we have to assume. Let Rohit made x, then Virat made how many? 2 times. So it will become 2x. And according to the given condition, together means Rohit plus Virat together made what? Double century, but 2 runs less than double century. So 200 minus 2 is what? 198. Therefore x equal to 198 upon 3 equal to 66. Therefore runs made by Virat 2x. So we will substitute the value of x. 2 into 66 equal to 132. Therefore runs made by Virat and Rohit are 132 and 66 respectively. Thank you children. Given below is the link for e-textbook. Kindly go through it. Have a nice day.